everyone! For today's vlog, we are going to create and discuss a statistical map of COVID cases in Cavite Province using QGIS software. So, without further ado, let's get started!
So, what is QGIS?
So, what is QGIS? QGIS is a free open source cross-platform desktop geographic information system application that supports viewing, editing, and analysis of geospatial information. And the function of it as geographic information system software, it allows users to analyze and edit spatial information in addition to composing and exporting graphical maps. GIS also support both raster and vector layers. Vector data is stored as either line, point, or polygon features. Multiple formats of raster images are supported and the software can georeference images.
Who developed the QGIS and when did it develop?
Gary Sherman began to develop QuantumJS in early 2000 and it became an incubator project of the open source Geospatial Foundation in 2007 and version 1.0 was released in January 2009. In 2013, along with the release of version 2.0, the name was officially changed from QuantumJS to QGIS to avoid confusion as both names had been used in a parallel.
What is statistical map?
A statistical map is defined as a special type of map in which the variation in quantity of factors such as rainfall, population, crops of a geographic area is indicated. It is a superimposed charts and graphs over geographical area to show more complex quantitative information that can be achieved with choropleth maps. Just like what you can see on the screen, some of the examples of statistical maps.
It's important to use the statistical map.
It is important to use a statistical kind of map because in this way the map serves as an excellent means of presenting statistical information. Not only they are visually attractive, they also make it easier for user to relate data to locations and help user to identify geographic trends in data in a way that would be difficult of using chart or table.
What are the three types of statistical map?
First, we have choropleth maps. Choropleth maps, it is a thematic maps in which areas are shaded or patterned in proportion to the measurement of the statistical variable. Next is the proportional symbol map. These use symbols that are proportional in size to the values they represent. This type of map is better for count data. The last one is the dot maps. Individual events or group of events are marked with a dot, allowing users to geographic patterns such as clusters.
The topic of the statistical map.
The information that we are going to input on the statistical map is about the COVID-19 cases of Cavite, including the 23 provinces. First, we search for the COVID cases of each of the provinces, particularly all the confirmed cases, then the number of active cases, the recoveries, and also the number of deaths or death. The information that we search is based on the December 1, 2020 Department of Health data drop or at http covid19stats.ph. You can see on the screen the following data and or information that we gathered in relation to the COVID-19 cases of Cavite provinces. In order for us to present the following data to the map, we're going to find each of its percentage, create a map, a graph, and then apply it to the geographic map of Cavite.
Now, we are going to make a statistical map wherein we are about to input the COVID-19 cases of the Cavite provinces. I will show you the step-by-step process of making a statistical map in the QGIS application.
And now, let's start. Here is the QGIS software. Then, the first thing you must do is to click the Add Layer. Then, Add Vector Layer. Then, click the three dot beside and find the file that you download from the Diva GIS. Click Open. Then, Add. Then, choose the PHL Admin 1 SHP. Okay. Add PHL Admin 2 SHP. Then, close. Then, that's it. Then, after that, you're going to select Pictures by Polygon. And then, choose and select the shapefile of Cavite Province. And then, right-click. And then, select PHL ADM2. Then, right-click. Choose Export. Then, save vector layer as. And then, click the three dot. Put file name and name it Province of Cavite. And then save. Click OK. That's it. And now, after saving it, you're going to delete the PHL ADM2. Okay. And the PHL ADM1. So you can have the shapefile of Cavite Province. And to input the data of COVID-19 cases, press F6 or open attribute table. From here, you can see all the municipality in Cavite Province. And then click Organize column. Then you can unselect all the data which is not needed. Then I'm going to leave only the name_0, name_1, name_2, ENG type _2. Then click OK. Then after that, click New Field. Then there you can name it Confirmed Cases. Then OK. Then the next is the Active Cases. Then OK. And the next is the Recoveries. And then the last one, which is the Deaths. And then OK. And then from that, you can now input all the number of confirmed cases, active cases, recoveries, and deaths in Cavite Province. And that's it. Now the next thing you must do is to right click Province of Cavite, click Properties, and then click Symbology. Then from that you can change the color of the shapefile. You can choose what color you want. Then after choosing the color you want, then click Apply and then OK. That's it. That's the color that you choose. Now, to put data, click Province of Cavite, then right-click Properties, and then select Labels, choose Single Labels, and then select the ABC name _1, then OK. And then from that, I'll choose the bold style. You can also choose what font you want. And then the size, I change it to 1.5. And click the value on the top, and then you choose Fields and Values. Then after that, click the string concatenation and new line. Click string concatenation, then click the confirm cases again. String concatenation, new line, string concatenation, then click the active cases, and then repeatedly click again the string concatenation, new line, string concatenation, then the recoveries, then click again the string concatenation, new line, string concatenation, and the deaths. Then click the string concatenation and new line. Then after that, click OK, and then apply OK. That's it. Now, again, click Properties, and then now you are going to put diagrams. I'll choose the pie chart, and then you can click the fixed size if you want to change it. I change it to 1.10. Then after changing the fixed size, now we are going back to the attributes, and then select the confirmed cases, active cases, recoveries, and deaths. Now you can change the color of each. You can change it to what color you want. Then after changing the color, click Apply, then OK. And now to create print layout, Control P, then I name it as COVID cases in Cavite Province. Then OK. Then from that, to put the file that you copy, you can select Add Map, and then from that, click Add Label. And then from that, I type the Cavite Province COVID-19 cases as of December 1, 2020. Then you can also choose the font, color, and size that you want. Then in the horizontal alignment, click center and middle. Then if you want it to have frame, you can click frame. And last, click add legend. And put title, which is legend. And the last thing you will do is to export it as image in PNG format, then save. That's it. We're done.